Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Interested in using Notion on your laptop but not quite sure where to start? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through downloading and installing the Notion app on your Windows or Mac device. By the end of this video, you'll have Notion set up and ready to help you organize your work, plan your days, and bring your ideas to life, all right from your desktop. Let's jump in and get you up and running with Notion. So the first thing you'll want to do is head over to notion.com/desktop. This is the official source, so you know you're getting the safest and most up-to-date version of Notion for your computer. When you land on the page, you'll notice two prominent buttons, one for Windows and one for Mac. If you're using a Windows laptop, go ahead and click on Download for Windows. If you're on a Mac, simply choose the Mac option instead. This ensures you get the version that's compatible with your operating system. Downloading the wrong file could result in installation errors, so take a moment to pick the right one. Once you hit that download button, your browser will start downloading the installer file. Depending on your internet connection, this could take a few seconds or maybe a minute. Don't worry if you don't see anything happening right away. Sometimes files end up in your browser's downloads folder, and you might need to check there. If you're not sure where it's saved, you can usually access downloads by pressing Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+Option+L on Mac. Now, let's open up the installer file. On Windows, this will typically be an .exe file. Just double-click it to launch the installation process. On Mac, it's usually a .dmg file, and you'll double-click to open that up as well. You might see a message from your operating system asking if you're sure this app is safe to install. That's normal whenever you're installing new software, especially from the internet. Since we downloaded Notion directly from the official website, you can feel confident hitting Run or Open to continue. At this point, you'll see some installation prompts on your screen. Just follow these instructions. Usually, you'll click Next or Allow, and the setup wizard will handle the rest for you. Depending on your computer, the installer might need to ask for permission to make changes. If so, just approve those requests. This part shouldn't take very long, maybe a minute or two at most. The installer is setting up files behind the scenes, so Notion runs smoothly on your device. Once the installation is complete, Notion will either launch automatically or you'll find the Notion icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Go ahead and open it up. You'll be prompted to log in using your email address. If you already have a Notion account, just type in your email and password, and you're in. If you don't have an account yet, there will be an option to sign up right there. Notion makes the process simple and straightforward. Just a couple clicks and you're ready to start organizing life to your heart's content. And there you go. You've successfully installed Notion on your laptop, and you're all set to build your personal dashboard, manage tasks, or collaborate with friends and teammates. If any step takes a few extra moments, don't worry. Installations can vary a little from computer to computer. If you ran into any issues, just let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides just like this one. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comment section. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy your Notion experience on desktop.